Are you looking to dive into data analysis or data science? You're in the right place. With the right roadmap, you can choose a fulfilling career path. Let's start by understanding these roles. A data analyst interprets data to help businesses make informed decisions. A data scientist does similar work, but with more complex algorithms and predictive modeling. Now, let's outline your roadmap to success in these fields. First, acquire foundational skills in statistics. Understanding data patterns is crucial. Next, learn programming languages, like Python and R. These tools help you manipulate data efficiently. After that, focus on data visualization. Tools like Tableau or Power BI will make your findings shareable. Then, dive into machine learning concepts. Knowing how machines learn from data will set you apart. Networking is also vital. Join online communities or local meetups. Share experiences and learn from others in the field. Let's visualize this with an example. Imagine a company wants to improve its sales. The data analyst examines past sales data. They identify trends, potential customer demographics, and successful marketing tactics. The data scientist takes it a step further. They build predictive models to foresee future sales and recommend strategies. Their deep understanding of algorithms gives valuable insights. In summary, your roadmap includes learning statistics, programming, data visualization, machine learning, and networking. Each step builds on the last and prepares you for real-world challenges. Ready to embark on your data journey? Start learning today and explore courses that suit your needs. Your future as a data analyst or data scientist awaits.